Good
Audio.
morning, friends. Today I am going to explain Nadi Shodha Pranayama, which is the other form of Anloma Viloma, which we already covered in our previous videos. In Anloma Viloma, you use both your nostrils to breathe and exhale your breath. So, I'll intake breath from one nostril and I exhale my breath from other nozzle, which is a Anloma Viloma. But in Nadi Shodha Pranayama, always you use only one nozzle at a time to inhale as well as exhale your breath. So by doing this, and there are other forms addition to this, other concepts I can say, where when you intake, you can hold it for some time in your body. By doing that, when you intake a breath when it is in stomach, it as well as it will help you all your stomach issues, like whatever the stomach issues you have. Similarly, when you exhale and hold for some time before taking the next breath, it will improve your brain. Brain will get more oxygen. Because of that, the blood circulation will be good, as well as most of your brain will. Okay. I'm refreshing you the concepts once again. When you inhale the breath, it will improve your stomach as well as your brain issues. Okay, brain power. When you exhale it, it will squeeze out your stomach, as well as most of the toxins will go out. So this is the one important other concepts of Nadi Shodha Pranayama, and this can be done by anyone, and doing in a morning time will help more because of fresh air. You can inhale the fresh air and exhale the fresh air. So please do it. My friend Maunesh will demonstrate this, so please practice, please share this with everyone,
And make
and
India.
make India a healthier country.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Mr. Monish is going to demonstrate the concept of Nadi Shodha Pranayama. My one of other friends, Mr. Somashekar, has given explanation about Nadi Shodha Pranayama in detail and in depth, and it is a very clear information what he has given to you. Okay, now Mr. Monish is going to demonstrate Nadi Shodha Pranayama, and here he is sitting in normal cross legs, and he has done chin mudra and keeping on his thighs, and his spinal cord is erect, and his head is also straight. Okay, and he is totally relaxed his body after doing some exercise, physical exercise. Warming up of body is very important before start doing pranayama. This is the main concept. On 10 to 15 minutes you have to warm up or walk or jog or anything. Do it and start doing pranayama. It gives 100% result, because respiratory system will get opened, and your nostrils will get opened, your lungs will be active. Otherwise everything will be in freezing condition. Okay, this is the thing. Second thing, as Mr. Somshakar told, early morning is a very good time for doing pranayama, any type of pranayama. Now in Nadi Shodha Pranayama, he has done form the Vishnu Mudra, and as we told yesterday, he is keeping his hands on his this one right nostril, and he closed that right nostril, and he is taking the breath from left nostril, hold for some time, slowly exhale, and shunya, that is removing all the breath and holding the tummy or lungs in a vacant portion, that is called shunya. Okay, in that portion he will he is staying for few seconds or minutes, and once again he is going to take the breath and he is exhaling. Now he is slowly switching over to his right nostril. This will get open, and left nostril will get closed, and he is going to take the breath in right nostril only, and he is going to release the breath in right nostril only. This is called Nadi Shodha Pranayama. And in this Nadi Shodha Pranayama, there are so many other sub variations, with different countings, different forms, that we are going to teach you in future course of videos, because that is not important. We are going to concentrate only basic concepts of pranayama, which will help us to get rid of any problem which presently we are facing. And later on in advanced courses, we are going to teach each and every forms of pranayama, or any the forms, therapies which I already taught you. And this is the time we have to, one and everybody should do it and get rid of problems. Make yourself healthy, make others healthy by educating others. Share it without delay or deny. Please share it to everybody. And you are the masters by seeing these videos. We are not the masters. You will become the master once you start doing this and teach them. Make India healthy and happy. Thank you. Please share it. Once again I am telling thank you, and thanks for our team members also. Thank you. Bye.